day 2 in Tokyo.
I got to witness a Shinto wedding, a traditional Japanese wedding. But first, let's get on a train and get to Akihabara. Trust me, the energy here was like no other. Jeff and I were buzzing with excitement. I joined the Tokyo localized Akihabara walking tour in Akihabara. I wish I had more time to spend here, and all the temples we explored surrounded by blooming sakuras. We couldn't resist the sakura ice cream and also got a matcha latte. This is where I witnessed beautiful traditional Shinto wedding. Our tour ended at Ueno Park, and I was shocked to see the number of people here at Park. As it was cherry blossom season, there were so many street vendors, and one vendor cooking Okonomiyaki caught my eye, and oh, it was divine. Shibuya, the heart of Tokyo's hustle and bustle. While enjoying our Starbucks coffee, we watched the crowds across this iconic Shibuya Crossing, and it does not get boring. I spent an hour here. By this point, we haven't had our lunch yet, so we found this cute tempura shop. Oh, the tempura was so good. You must visit a department store when you're in Japan. There's so much good food here. You don't want to miss it. How cute is this panda? Shibuya at night is so much fun to be at. We wandered through the neon lit streets, and it was filled with so much energy. Also love this green tea drink. We joined Tokyo localized Shibuya walking tour, and we got to see and learn about old and new Shibuya. Dinner was at Yoshinoya, which is a fast food chain. If you're looking for something quick, cheap and tasty, this is the place to go to. Ended the night by grabbing some snacks at 7-Eleven. There were so many Sakura related items I could not resist. That is it for day 2. Follow along for daily vlogs, what I spend in a day videos, and Japan travel tips.